Take a ride in the 2015 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, moonroof, power steering, alloy wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.